Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be preparing turkey curry sauce, okay? And shout out to all my new subscribers. You guys are welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please like, comment and share to your family and friends. And to my top subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, like and commenting, okay, even sharing. I so much appreciate you guys, okay. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. This is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost anything. Like it's free. Please subscribe. Then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment and share to your family and friends, okay. I'm a new YouTuber and I really want to grow with you guys. Please support me, okay. I love you guys. I love you. You can see how appetizing, attracting and irresistible this turkey curry sauce is looking. So join me, let me share with you how I prepare it. So I have the turkey meat in the pot already. I've properly washed it very well with clean water and salt. And I'm going ahead now to spice it with salt, curry masala, which spices consisting of dry onion and bay leaves, then thyme, and I will add grated ginger and garlic. I'll be adding the diced onion. I will stir it well together to combine and integrate well, okay. I'm almost forgetting to add the knorr cube. Sorry lovelies. So I've just added the 2 cubes of knorr, okay. So I'll cover it to steam on a low heat for 15 minutes before adding water to it. This process it will make all the spices they've added in your meat to integrate and digest in the meat, okay. So I have just added the water now. I will stir it well now and cover to cook properly for 30 minutes before I oven grill it, okay. So I'll now scoop it all out now. You can go ahead and fry your own if you want, okay. You can fry your own with oil, vegetable oil, but I don't want to fry it. I'll be grilling it with oven. So I have placed it inside the oven tray and I've preheated the oven already. So I will close it to start grilling. You can also use air fryer to grill it, okay. So over here I have the carrot and the bell peppers. I've washed the carrot very well and I scraped the back, as you can see. And I've also washed the bell peppers. You can see how big the bell peppers are. So I'll start cutting the carrot. I'm cutting it in a round shape. You can cut yours any shape that you like, okay. So it's turkey curry sauce I'm preparing. So this is the shape I want to cut my carrot. And also I'm cutting the peppers this shape also. Just feel free to cut your peppers and carrots the any way or any shape that you want. It's okay, you are in charge of your kitchen, okay. So I'll cut them all and now set it aside. Over here I have the onion. I have diced it, and then the ginger and garlic leaf I will grate and keep it aside. And in the pot already I have added the vegetable oil, added the diced onion, saute it, and then added the ginger and garlic. I'll now add the carrot. Stir fry it for 40 seconds, then cover it to cook for just a minute before adding other vegetables. You know, carrot is more hard than the other vegetables. So it's 1 minute and I went ahead to add the bell peppers, then the peas. The peas are eyes, that's why you are seeing those white particles on it. And then I added the sweet corn. I will now stir fry it for just a minute. You don't have to stir fry it so it won't get too soft. You know, you have to cook it. Then I added the curry. You know, of course, you are cooking the turkey curry sauce. I added curry, mixed spices, and salt. It's important to add those things now so that while cooking it, it won't taste bland, okay? And it's not a must that you will fry your vegetables, okay? You can go ahead to cook it straight ahead. But I love this step. I like the aroma it gives the vegetables, okay? So I now added the meat stock. I sieve the meat stock to remove the particles. Then I added just 1 cube of knorr, little or no pepper. Seriously, I just added a little because my kids doesn't eat pepper. So I check salt to test and it's already testing heavenly. So I went ahead to add the grilled chicken. You can see how yummy the chicken is looking. Well grilled. Please, if you've watched to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, please, I beg you, subscribe, support my ministry. Subscription is absolutely free. Okay? Then at the end of the video, you like, comment and share to your family and friends. So you can see how I gently stir the sauce because the pot is almost full. So I mixed 2 spoons of flour inside the water. You can go ahead and use cornstarch, please. I couldn't get cornstarch, that's why I used flour, and it came out absolutely perfect as if I used cornstarch. So I covered to cook for just 5 minutes, and this is 5 minutes. Our turkey curry sauce is already looking yummy, as you can see. You can see how consistent or thick it is. Okay, if you want your own to be more thicker, you add more cornstarch. And if you can sight your eyes at the other corner of the burner, you can see I'm already boiling my white rice to serve all the sauce. And here it is. Have your own plate, lovelies. If you've watched to this moment, I so much appreciate and thank you so much. See you on another video.